Hello, Jack. I'm going to take a trip next month. I need a short break. Do you like to travel?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I love traveling. It's my favorite thing to do. Where are you planning to go for your trip?
I want to visit the beach. I love the sun and the ocean. I think I will go to Da Nang for 4 days.
That sounds wonderful. Da Nang is beautiful. How will you get there? Will you take a train or fly?
I will fly. The flight is only 1 hour, so it is fast. I don't like long car rides very much.
Flying is great for long distances. Have you booked your hotel yet? It is always better to book early.
Yes, I booked a small hotel near the beach. It has a nice pool. I want to swim every morning before breakfast.
Nice. What do you plan to do in Da Nang? Will you visit many famous places?
I want to relax on the beach every day. I also want to try some local food. I heard the seafood is very good there.
You must try mi kwang. It's a special noodle dish from that area. I ate it every day when I was there.
Ooh, mi kwang. I will write that down. Thank you for the idea. Do you travel often?
Not very often, maybe twice a year. My last trip was to a small mountain town. I enjoyed the fresh air and the hiking trails.
A mountain town sounds lovely, too. I love nature. What did you pack for your trip there? Did you need warm clothes?
Yes, I packed many sweaters and a rain jacket. The nights were very cold. I also brought comfortable shoes for walking.
That's smart. When I travel, I always forget something important. Last time, I forgot my phone charger.
Oh no, that is a problem. I always make a list before I pack anything. Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends?
I prefer traveling with 1 or 2 close friends. It's more fun. We can share stories and try new things together.
I agree. Having company is nice. But sometimes traveling alone is good too. It helps you meet new people easily.
That's true. Have you ever traveled to another country before? Which country did you like the most?
Yes, I went to Thailand last year. I liked Bangkok the most. The temples were amazing, and the street food was incredible.
I want to visit Thailand someday. Was it difficult to use a different language? Did you use an English phrasebook?
A little difficult, but most people understood basic English. I also used a translation app on my phone. It helped me read the menus in restaurants.
That's a good tip. A translation app is necessary now. What is one place you really want to visit in the future?
I really want to go to Italy. I want to see Rome and eat real Italian pizza and pasta. It looks like a very historical place.
Italy is on my list too. I hope we both can visit Rome soon. I wish you happy travels.
Thank you. You too. Have a great time in Da Nang next month. Don't forget to take many pictures.
Before I go to Da Nang, I need to plan my money. Do you usually exchange money before you leave or when you arrive?
I usually exchange a little money at the airport when I arrive. The exchange rate is sometimes better there, but I mostly use my credit card for big payments.
That's a good idea. I worry about carrying too much cash. Do you prefer staying in big resorts or small local guest houses?
I prefer small guest houses. They are often cheaper, and I can meet local people easily. It gives me a more authentic experience.
I agree. I chose a small hotel for my trip. It feels more personal. What is the most important thing for you when you choose a place to stay?
The most important thing for me is the location. I need to be close to the main city center or the place I want to see. And the room must be very clean.
Cleanliness is definitely important. Do you ever use public transportation when you travel? For example, buses or the subway?
Yes, I always try to use public transport. It is cheap and fast in many big cities. I use a map application on my phone to check the routes.
Using a map application is very helpful. I don't want to get lost. Do you buy any souvenirs when you travel?
Yes, I usually buy a small magnet for my fridge. It helps me remember the trip every day. I also buy postcards for my family.
That is a nice tradition. Magnets are easy to pack in a suitcase. Thank you for all the travel advice. I feel more ready for my trip now.
You are welcome, Emma. Safe travels and enjoy the seafood in Da Nang. Tell me all about your trip when you come back.